merci Président. Effectivement, bon rentrée à tous, mais avec un petit peu quand même aux Français qui sont sur la piste en ce moment, Philippe.
Ah oui, c'est vrai que le président a beaucoup également pour la correction de ce Grand Prix 2001 de France cette saison. Et on va... Ce sera certainement un superbe duel, puisqu'il s'agit de Michael Schumacher. Michael Schumacher qui reste sur cette victoire. Oui, il reste 4 minutes, hein, 4 minutes, on va d'ailleurs surveiller la zone d'espace qui sera donc fermée dans 4 minutes. Et après là, toutes les voitures devront être présentes sur la grille de départ pour la procédure classique d'un départ des championnats du monde de Formule 1.
Oui, puis nous juste à côté à l'instant de Jean Alési, il reste vraiment de très courtes minutes, Jean. Comme ce matin, la pression monte, c'est le Grand Prix de l'année peut-être pour vous.
des relations avec le Parlement, à la présence de Jacques Juste, le président de la Fédération française du sport automobile.
So we're just waiting for the drivers to come onto the rostrum. Also, of course, the representative of Scuderia Bambo.
Yeah, that's true. A couple of things come obviously together. As you say, 30th win, very important for the championship. I don't know whether there has ever been a 1-2 of Ferrari. We definitely have done it now, and it's
about time.
Yeah, it's time. That's true. And now it's just amazing. I mean, we have worked very, very hard over the last couple of months.
Michael Schumacher, the trophy presented by Monsieur Jean-Marie Barrest, the president of the FIA Senate.
Yeah, obviously I was under great pressure from the start. Made a very good start the second time. Obviously the first one wasn't that great. It was okay, but learnt a lesson and used it to good effect for the second start. And then really had Mika breathing down my neck the whole race. Really, the oil caught me out. They came on the radio and said, "Be careful, there's oil." And then they said again, "Be careful, there's a lot of oil." And next thing I know, yeah, I found it and I went sliding off the road and over the curb. And lucky enough, Mika didn't get past me then, and it was pretty much easy to control him. To be honest, I don't think he was going to take too much of a chance because he knew I wasn't going to give any room. And obviously, he wants to score points for the championship.
And to the third place driver, Mika Hakkinen, the trophy presented by Mr. Jacques Régis, president of the FFSA.
The second one was not so good. I was not able to get out to grid as well as I did in the first time, and lost there a couple of positions. And you know, I have experience with this track for many years already. And when you're stuck behind somebody who is running more or less in the same second, it is nearly impossible to overtake.